Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to be showing you how to make Facebook distraction free. So this video is for those who need to use Facebook to promote their business, but somehow they're getting distracted on Facebook looking into different people's posts. So I'm just going to show you one simple extension that's gonna hide or eliminate the news feed. So let's for example, let's go on Facebook, and let's say you need to go to Facebook to like promote your business, and you see like all the posts from different people and then you get distracted. So the extension that can solve this is feed eradicator. As you can see, there are lots of users. I'm gonna put the link in the description, and let's show you quickly. Just go to the link and then add extension. So this link is for Google Chrome, and it will open a new tab, and you'll see like even you can use the same tool to eradicate other social platforms. So in this case, we're gonna select Facebook, and then in this pop-up, click on allow. Now let's go back to Facebook and reload. Now actually you'll not see the feeds, and you'll only see the quotes that's inspiring every time you go in Facebook. You can instead like visiting what other people are posting. Instead of getting distracted, you just look at the motivational quotes. And I hope this video is helpful. Let me know in the comment what you think and how it's helping, and also please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.